trying to make very beautiful paintings and drawings and things to be able to explain. Also they had TV programs. So on the TV they told what were their experiences, this and that. But if you yourself are not capable, you are not going to influence anyone, even if you go to the TV or anywhere. Nobody is going to take you seriously. So you have to be more serious about it and to be more earnest to do your meditation. Now there's another aspect of Sahaja Yoga, that we want people to be married. But marriage is not the last thing. It's not the last thing. It's just an assistance, we can say, a compliment from the another side, so that you develop yourself better. But any kind of hindrance in the marriage can be a great hindrance for your ascent. So don't pay any attention to such hindrances. Just get out of it and try to remain yourself, because only it is yourself which is going to give you joy and ascent, not anybody else. It will all work out well if you just keep to yourself and understand that you are important. You have to look after your ascent. Also, that the collective of Sahaja Yoga is important. It is very important for all of you, because you are so very few, and it has to be worked out in this country in a big way. And everybody was asking, why is it that in New Zealand the people are the same, not much changing, why not progressing? But I'm sure now more will happen, and things, the way I have triggered out today, it might work out. So now this is my own submission about it, and if you think that there's something more I should say about it, or something you want to know, you can write to me. I will definitely answer such letters. But I don't know what to answer to such letters, that my husband has run away with another woman, this thing, that thing. It's not important. You have been married so many times in life before. So what does it matter if he run away with? Let him run away. What to do? You are a Sahaja Yogi. How many women or how many men have become Sahaja Yogis in this world? So you are so exceptional, and such exceptional people should not bother about mundane things and useless things. They should know their responsibility. It is you who will be responsible for the emancipation of all the New Zealanders. And this you must understand. You should not try to put your esteem down. Try to come up and work it out. For every nation is important. Some people are extremely alert and some people are not. But now I am sure it will work out faster. We'll have lots of people. And now try to keep them. Give them some tea, something to begin with, because their attention is on food. But you just don't start eating first before they start eating. They'll think useless people, they are just trying to. You should show all dignity or hospitality. Hospitality helps a lot. That's a very important thing one should understand. Like in India, if you come, they'll see 10 times that you have taken your food. They'll call you if somebody is not there. Where are you? You must come and see. But what I hear is that here nobody calls anyone. You go and have your own food. You see, the guests have come outside, so nobody says, all right, did you have your food or not? Did you have your breakfast? That's not the way. We have to be concerned, and we should have those mannerisms which are very beautiful of being hospitable to people. See that they are, the guests are to be treated in a different way, and the inmates are of a different way. And that's whatever you do, your children are going to learn and behave in the same manner. So we have to get this culture into us by which we understand the value of other person, of guests who have come, those who are not yet Sahaja Yogis, who are here to become Sahaja Yogis, who have just got realization. They are to be treated with very great care. Like we can say a seed which is just sprouted. It's so delicate. The plant is in such a delicate way. Now you have to replant it properly into such field. So what do? Is to take out all these sprouted ones slowly, one by one, keeping proper distance between them, and try to plant them nicely into the field of Sahaja Yoga. But if you have certain value system, if you have achieved something, then you should not look down upon them Or you should not all the time make fun of them, because some people are sarcastic, some are all the time smiling. So they think that what is wrong with us, why are they smiling all the time? So there is no need to have artificial smiles, nor do there's any need to sort of criticize in a way, or sometimes the smile could be a ridicule, people think, they misunderstand. Or to say that this bhoot is catching, that bhoot is catching. Sometimes people say this chakra is catching. Not necessary. Gradually you should say everything is going to work out. If you are not feeling the cool breeze, all right, let's see what is the problem is like. But you need not tell them all these things. This language should not be exposed to the first comers, that they get frightened, that this center is catching, that center is catching. They get a big fright. So we have to build up their confidence. That's very important. Once you have built up their confidence, and once they start feeling the vibrations and everything, they have to trust you, they have to believe in you. So this is a very small outline of the way I would like New Zealand to come up and to act in a sensible way, so that people should say that New Zealanders are the wisest in Sahaja. May God bless you. There's little warm water in it. Now, दवाई कैंडल जाने आइडिया. ये ऑस्ट्रेलियन से बनवले
हे ग्रीस
ग्रीस
पूर्ण मंत्रास आणि
Imagine, Greece Sahajoga is only 2-year old. Only 2-year old. Greece. But that's a traditional country. See, it's an ancient country. And the way the Greeks have really fallen into Sahajoga is beyond me. पायाखाली काहीतरी घ्या ताट नाही हे नको ताट पाहिजे मोठं ताट असतं गंगाज
Shri Ganesha Saksha Shri Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Ganesha Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Ganesha Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Namaste Garbhate Tvameva Pratyaksham Tatmasi Tvameva Kevalam Tatasi Tvameva Kevalam Tatasi Tvameva Kevalam Tatasi Tvameva Sarvam Khalvidam Brahmasi Tvam Sakshat Atmasi Nityam Trayam Rashmi Satyam Rashmi Avaram Avaram Avarashvaram Avaratam Avaratatam Avanusham Avarashisham Avarashaka Avarasnavasta Avarata Avarashaka Avarashvata Avarata Sarvamam Pai Pai Samata Swamaya Swamaya